What's going on, guys? The Pescador is going to show you
What's going on,
a
guys?
short video about bees.
Here, the Pescador.
As you know, bees are perfectly adapted to
Today I'm
pollinate,
gonna be showing
helping
you
plants grow, breed, and
how to
produce food.
transfer
They do so by
a
transferring
beehive
pollen between flowering plants
from a
and
public
so
place
keep the
into
circle
a,
of life turning. The vast majority of plants we
private
need for food rely on pollination, especially by
here you
bees,
can hear
from almonds and vanilla and apples
zoom.
to squashes. So keep watching.
Okay, so that's a little bit of brood. This is where the babies are, and so I'm gonna put that in a frame, but not the honey, because the honey is gonna be a mess for them to deal with. I'm gonna grab a comb and put it in and shake it so the bees fell inside the box.
Right.
The queen possibly be inside now.
Alright, the queen might be on the inside, so they'll follow the queen.
And I'm gonna cut that part and put it back with them.
Alright. So Mr. Kareem is doing the cutout. It's the process of cutting the pollen out of the actual hive and setting it in a new box where the bees are transferred to the new home. You can hear them in action. It's amazing how these lovely creatures.
Be aware that this film was recorded using special suits and lots of common sense. So
Work together.
safety first, guys.
The frames that are on the outside, they're mostly honey. Straight into the honey box. Okay, if you want to look with the light inside, there you'll see there's plenty of, there's more bees in it.
Lots of bees. Hundreds, maybe thousands.
Oh yeah, easily 1,000. I'll say 5.
This is how they will congregate to their new home.
Okay, so now I'm gonna close the box. There is an opening on the other side, and the bees will, if the queen is inside, the bees will fan a signal telling them the queen is inside, you should get in.
Oh, so this is really important.
Yeah, the queen is helping my job.
So whether she's in the old hive or the new box, they'll
Well,
send signals and she'll actually come and get her, you mean?
not come and get her, but come and stay with her.
Okay. Or congregate together.
There are the bees that you see, and there are the bees that are coming back. So this is the entrance of the new home. And it looks like it's the case. If you see some bees standing and having the butt out, they're fanning a signal telling everybody else, hey, the queen is around. You should get in. So that's what's happening. So here is the new home for the bees. They came from the hill over there, so if you want to pan and show them. Well, it's hard to describe, but they came somewhere from here, and we just drove them to my place. So right now the gate is closed, so they can settle, and they have no choice than settling. Then I will open the queen excluder door, and after that I will fully open it after a while. And that's how you do it.
Thank you for showing us, Kareem.
You're welcome. It was a pleasure. We'll do it more. We have more to do. So.
All right. Thank you for watching, guys.